Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. In today's video we're gonna create my junk journal for Junk Journal July. Now let's dive into the material. We will need obviously a bunch of different kind of papers. I did use some old vintage papers, some doilies, washi tape, something to sew the signatures, so some twine and a needle, as well as some scissors. And that's all we have here, and now let's start creating. I start by measuring out the size of the pages that would fit to the size of the envelope journal that I'm kind of building this journal around. So now that I figured that out, I did make one kind of cover page that is a bit thicker to make room for the new signature. And it's a bit of a thicker paper from an old book to make it a little bit more sturdy. Here I'm measuring out the pages to make them fit into the cover page, and then I make a second signature for more pages to fill. We're going to add a bunch of different papered pages for the junk journaling challenge. For, I feel like, a few years now, or what feels like forever, I wanted to take part in the lovely junk journaling challenge created by Mac Journals here on YouTube. I will leave a link to her channel in the description down below. But in the last few years I never found the time to do daily videos, be it in January for Junk Journal January or in July for Junk Journal July. So now here we are doing it this year. I hope I can get through all 31 videos, but I'm quite positive that I could do so. But I wanted to prepare my journal in advance before July started, so let's go. I do start here with my junk journal made from envelopes. I wanted to post this junk journal envelope tutorial before the whole challenge here, but I didn't find the right time to edit it, so this will come sometimes in the future after Junk Journal July. But now let's spice it up, because the envelope journal has enough pages to fit the Junk Journal July challenge. So we are adding a few signatures of different paper to create a junk journal with more pages to make it fit the 31 prompts for our challenge in July. I'm really happy to finally find the time to take part in this challenge, and I hope you will enjoy the daily creative input and the daily videos. Are you taking part in Junk Journaling July? Are you even junk journaling? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Here I am just figuring out which papers I like to add to which signature and how everything should switch in between. I'm trying to not have a pattern kind of paper repeat after itself, to just always switch it up between a doily and a craft paper or whatever pages I had left here to use in the junk journaling, and now that I'm happy with how they are stacked, I take the needle and twine and start sewing the signatures together and into the cover page. In the end, when I have both signatures inside my cover page, I take a glue stick and add the envelope accordion style junk journal into the backside of the whole cover, and then the junk journal is ready to go, and I can't wait to fill it up with a bunch of fun prompts and creative adventures. I just want to create something, and my whole idea for my own Junk Journal July journey is to just create daily and have fun with it. Don't put too much pressure on myself. Don't set myself too high of expectations. And I just really want to create, really make sure that I stick with the junk journaling theme and not too much, not expect myself to create a perfectly fine art journal spread each day of July. If something beautiful comes out of it, I'm happy and I love it, but not put myself on too much pressure to make each day absolutely a perfect art and creative masterpiece. Just create something and fill up the journal, have fun, maybe do some more writing than I usually do in my art journal. We will see how it goes and what comes to mind and what I'm in the mood for in that moment. I just hope you all join me on this creative adventure, and I hope you enjoy watching the daily Junk Journal July challenge videos. And so we will see each other already on Monday. Stick around, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button to join me on my creative journey. And then happy junk journaling!